Today is Wednesday morning, February 2nd, Groundhog Day. And I'm now going to show you what the blizzard of 2011 looks like. Well, this is Manchester. Pretty incredible. Okay. Now I'm going to walk back here, at least attempt to, and show you the depth of the snow. Whoa. If I can. It says 16 inches. It's probably a little bit more because I'm not at the highest point. So let's figure probably 18 inches or so. Pretty incredible stuff, to say the least. Wow. Previous to this, the deepest snow I remember is January 1st, New Year's of 1999. We had, I think, about 18 inches, about the same as this. But this is worse because of the drifting. Amazing. And I know, Melanie, if you're watching this in Lithia where it's like 80 degrees, I know you're missing this stuff and you'd love to be here with us helping the shovel. Coated the barbecue. Incredible stuff. All right, I'm gonna go back out front now and attempt to dig us out of our driveway. I'll be back. What a mess. The blizzard of 2011. Coming to you live from Vernon Hills. Wow. Ever since we moved here, this has never happened. We have, up at the front door here, there has to be over a foot of snow. And all that's, of course, from the wind. Probably closer to that 18-inch mark again. Pretty darn incredible, if you ask me. Oh yeah, how's the driveway coming? Well, proud to say, it's all done. I'll give you another angle in a moment. Okay. The driveway is now complete. It's a little narrow at the end, but that's okay. We'll manage. But stairs done for the most part. Pretty incredible stuff. Now, I'm not done doing this. I'm not done digging us out because, as you can see, they haven't come down our street to plow yet. So all this stuff here is going to wind up right in front of my driveway. And what's coming from this side as well. Oh, look at that. Big mounds of snow. Oh, there's that mailbox again. Seems to be getting a little shorter. Or the snow is getting a little taller. Pretty incredible stuff. And again, here's your perspective as to how deep the snow is. Here, I'm gonna get the yardstick. Now we can get an accurate reading as to how much snow we had. So here we go. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. Let's get down here. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh, we have more to go. 19, 20, almost 20. There we go. 20 inches of snow. Proof positive that we got 20 inches of snow here in Vernon Hills. Pretty impressive stuff, if you ask me. Okay, it's now 3 in the afternoon. And as you can see, the city came and plowed. They pushed, of course, as I said, all the snow. Here's an example here. I'll give you a quick example here. See this driveway? That's Andre, my next door neighbor. I think he's got heaters underneath because it's bone dry. But this is the what the city was so nice to push onto his front of the driveway. They did ours too. They pushed in front of ours, but I just finished getting rid of it all. So this is our new entranceway to our house. So, you're a Vernon Hillbilly here?
Yes, I am, and I want you to take a picture of me with my camera.
Okay.
This one's for all our kids. You know how I always say that Dad makes me do everything? Can you believe he made me do the friggin' driveway? Look at it. I even have a shovel to prove it.
Yeah, let's look at that shovel for a moment.
Look at it. Look at it.
Wait a minute. Don't put it in there. I just did that.
Hey,
Isn't that a
don't
crack?
listen to him.
What?
I did the driveway. I just want you to know you should be proud of me. Look at it. Does that
Oh,
look
yeah.
amazing or
Oh,
not?
yeah. Our three kids definitely believe that.
I do. Can you believe it? He made me do it. What can I say?
Well, I don't think they're going to buy that line. Guys, what do you think? You think Mom's telling the truth?
Believe it.
I don't either. Anyway, signing off for Blizzard 2011. Bye-bye.
Bye.